Class 5 EVS Unit 5 Agriculture Subtopic Organic Farming. Plants need to grow nutrients, that means fertilizers. To get high yield, farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides indiscriminately. When the farmers use high quantity of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, they cause diseases like cancer. So many cancers like brain, kidney, lung, stomach, liver. This type of all cancers caused by chemicals. Those are used in chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So farmers are advised to follow organic farming methods. Organic farming is a method of crop and livestock productions that involves natural and conventional ways of farming. That means in this farming, no chemical fertilizers, no herbicides, no pesticides, and no additives. Farmers use organic manure such as cattle waste, vermicompost, green leaf manure, crop rotation method, biological management, animal husbandry and their waste, and oil cakes. These all are used in organic farming. Using these to produce biofertilizers. That means farmers use organic manure such as cattle waste, vermicompost, oil cakes, and biological waste. These all are the dried leaves. These used for making natural manure or organic manure. This is vermicompost. Using the waste materials such as leaf waste and cattle waste, using these worms, this convert into the natural fertilizer, that is vermicompost. This organic farming is known as ZBNF. ZBNF means zero budget natural farming. In organic farming, prepare pesticides also like Jivamrutam Panchagava. In Jivamrutam, use 5 types of material such as cow dung, bean powder, cow urine, and jaggery. Using this, farmers prepare in their own kind of fields Jivamrutam and filter that and spray using the Jivamrutam. Most of the pets are dried. So this is the one of the way, that means the best way for using organic farming. What are the uses of organic farming? So many uses for organic farming, such as better to environment, practice reduce pollution, conserve water, reduce soil erosion, and organic farming is increase soil fertility and use less energy. Now see here how to prepare compost. First you dig a pit and fill the bottom layer with dry materials such as leaves, like that. After, fill in a layer with soil, like that, to cover the compost with grass or banana leaves to dried frequently. After some days, these all waste materials are decomposed and convert to the manure. So like this we prepare compost. Every farmer to prepare own compost in their field. At the time they get high quantity of manure, that is natural manure without harmful manure. So every farmer should prepare compost.